Hey, my microphone was muted as shit just now.
Hey man, it happens. Where
Good
do you
morning,
stream?
everybody. Welcome to the Raw Crypto Talks podcast, where we talk a little bit about tokenomics. We look at how to get crypto. We look at the direction, how things are going, and we speculate a little bit. So we are not financial advisors. We're just some dudes commenting on crypto and the way that it's going. So that is a disclaimer. So don't come for us. I got to start putting those out at the beginning. Today is December the 7th, 2021. And what were you saying, Dan?
Oh, you good, man. Go ahead. Please continue.
Oh no, you straight, man. You straight. Like I like to make sure that I let myself know what the date is and stuff like that because when I come back to edit these, if I don't give myself those kind of cues, I get fucking lost. I realized. So,
Time's made up, man. It doesn't really matter, I don't guess.
oh man, I can't talk relatively, relativity of time. Woo-wee. All right, so I'm looking at today's global crypto cap by market prices, bro. We're up 7.2% this morning. The whole entire shebang the whole 2.5 trillion is up 7%, man. That ain't bad.
Much better than yesterday. 2 days
Fucking
ago, I should say.
yeah. That shit was stumping for the last few days. Nah, didn't like it. Didn't like it. But I think we was more so testing the zone.
I got you. I mean, you
So
keep telling me that, so I'm waiting to see.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you. Actually, let me show you now. But before we do that, you asked me. You said where was I streaming at? So right now I'm streaming on Instagram. I haven't started streaming other places yet. But I
Sure.
would, we stream just on Instagram right now, just because one is simpler to do, and two, we post the recording same day for the most part, and we also put it on YouTube and I think one other platform, but it's like YouTube, 10 different podcast platforms, and then like Instagram.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
but I do need a better streaming location. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like nothing against Instagram.
Oh, man,
It's just
I'm waiting
it's a lot of
to do some
setup.
research here soon. Yeah, we got this.
Yeah, exactly. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the global cryptocurrency market cap today is 2.5 trillion. Like I said earlier, we're up 7.2% in the last 24 hours. So Bitcoin, number one, big dog, right, is at 5.4 today. It is up, which means if you put $100 in there yesterday, and it's just some real quick math, but if you put $100 in there yesterday, your $100 would be roughly $105.40, roughly, right? It is down 11% for the week, though. So yeah, if anybody's been following crypto's just been it's been a lot of turbulence right now, and it has something to do with market momentum, right? And also what the buildup of energy before something goes in either the up direction or the down direction, right? So the same technology that they use to track stocks and bonds and just overall price charts, volume charts, whichever chart you're looking at, it's the same methodology can be applied when looking at crypto charts. Same methodology. So but still down 11% for the week. Nobody's happy about that. I'll tell you that now.
Hey, I am. It allows me to open new positions, so it's okay. I'm not mad.
The dip. The dip. Bringing us to the most important part, man, that dip, right? So if we're moving in an upward trajectory, right, which means we're moving sideways and up, then it has to go up and it has to go down, right? It has to retrace just a little bit, right? And that retracement, you have a lot of bearish individuals who like to jump in on those bearish retracements, right? When your market, when you see the market go up and it zigzags back down, there's a lot of people who are betting on that zigzag back down because they know it's coming. It has to. That's the only way it's gonna go up, right?
Right.
Next, Ethereum. Ethereum is at number two. Ethereum is up 7.6% today, and it is down 2% for the week. Binance Coin is up 4.8 for the day, and it is down almost 7% for the week. USDT, dollar coin tether. Nothing real special there, but the market cap. It's held at $1. There's liquidity. It helps smooth out the marketplace when it comes to transitions, right? It's not a bad place. Solana is number 5. I could have sworn Solana had a different spot yesterday. I could be wrong. It's possible. But the charts that we're looking at, they are based off market cap. And what that means is they change based off market cap. So Solana is at 60 billion. USDT is at 77 billion. So it's a 17 billion difference right there. So, who knows? Solana may be able to take number 4 and push USDT down to number 5. We'll see. Personally, Dan, I would like to see ADA come on up there. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm still.
Ada's we've talked about it a few weeks now in a row. Ada's making a recovery at least.
I think it will, man. Like back before I even got into ADA, they were talking about ADA like ADA's baby Ethereum. It's like when Ethereum gets where it's going, ADA may already be there. Waiting on them. So we'll see. But still up 10%, man. 10%. I don't think anybody finna get mad at that.
No.
So we'll come back and take a look at some of these charts, though. Let's go ahead and get through the top 10. Next after that, we got USDC. USDC is just like USDT. It's dollar coin. Thing I like about USDC is DC is way more transferable than its counterpart, right? There are way more pegs on other networks that are willing to accept some USDC over USDT. Not to say that, one is better than the other. I just have my preference. XRP is number 8. And I do want to talk about why XRP is number 8, because a lot of people sleep on XRP, but there's still this utility that XRP is trying to add to the whole entire decentralized network. So we'll come back to that. But they're up 6.8% today, but they're down 16.6% for the week. Polkadot is up 10.9% for the day, and they are down 21.5% for the week. Terra Luna done slid its way into number 10 finally, pushing Doge out. Yeah, it's only by 4 billion, but still, I'm happy to see Doge out of top 10. Like, there's still people out there holding Doge, man. Like, oh, it's gonna go up. But this is what I be thinking, like, okay, Doge goes up, it's gonna go back down.
I'm confused as to why you're so angry at Doge. Like, what did it do to you?
It's not even what it did to me. It's what it's doing to my people. Like you.
I fell into that hole as well. I mean,
right.
It is what it is.
I mean, and it's still happening, is what I'm saying. It's still happening. Nah. Like, there's still people out there holding Doge. Like, yeah, man, it's gonna go up to $1, and I'm like, yeah, but there are tokens that have actually already did that. And they ain't even been out longer than Doge. That's the bad part.
That's fair.
That is the worst part about it. And then we got the mentionables, right? Anything in that top 10 to 20, I call those mentionables. Reason why I call them mentionables, because they move around a lot. The top, I would say 11 to 20. Those shift around fast. Like that's probably the fastest transfer of billions that I've seen in the market. It's weird, but I mean, we got Matic up there in the top 15, Crow in the top 15. There's another dollar coin, of course. I've been watching Litecoin slowly fall, slowly and slower, and that's because Litecoin's built off of proof of work. A lot of the proof of work stuff, man, it's not going to be doing great in the future.
Fair.
So, let's see, what else do we have down here? Shiba's now it looks like it's permanently in the 3s now. Like it hasn't broken out back up to 4. Like it's up 8.9% and it's at 3.7.
I mean, and 8 point whatever percent is just moving with the market. So
true, but let's say, okay, let's just take a look at it real fast, right? We'll see what we're gonna here on CoinGecko. You can actually put the market lines up to compare it. Right, so Shiba's definitely going to be riding off of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So mostly Ethereum, some say. But so let's see. Red is your Ethereum and gold is your Bitcoin. Just looking at these lines. The blue line, that is your Shiba, right? So let's look at some of the peaks. So here's a peak right here on yesterday, right? Where they all peaked, right? That's where we're seeing some of the, where it is now, the extra 8% that it's getting right now. But look at it for the last 7 days, down 16%. Last last 14 days, down 13%. Last 30 days, down 36%. So it's like even if you've been holding it for like the last 2 weeks, you're still down.
Right.
You know, it's
Oh no, I mean, yeah, I lost some money in there as well. It is what it is.
yeah. I mean, it's oh fuck. You know what I forgot to do, man? Did I
What's that?
forget? I didn't forget. I did hit the record button. Hi, let's go me. Oh
I think
shit.
that's rule number one in making a successful podcast is recording the podcast.
I would think so. I would fucking think so. But it's there now. I normally don't clip out any of these weird little intermissions either, man. I kind of just flow with them.
That's fair.
All right, so so looking at this chart here though, right? If we, I got the Shiba chart up on CoinGecko,
Hmm.
and I'm gonna move out to 180 days. So moving out towards 180 days. Let me see. Will they give me the line that I'm looking for? Probably not. But all right. So this I guess this may help get some of the point across, right? If you look at where the value line is for Shiba, and you look at where the value line is for its counterpart, right? You'll see
Hmm.
that that Ethereum and Bitcoin are trading at a margin times higher than the
Right.
counterparts.
Yeah.
You know
I
what I'm
mean, yeah,
saying?
exponentially higher. Yeah.
And like its market cap is shrinking. Shiba's market cap is shrinking. You know?
I did see something about them putting out something about NFT game that they're trying to get set up right now. So that's interesting.
Yeah, it is. But at the same time, it's almost too little, too late. Like Shiba done had a whole lot of money and a whole lot of time to do some shit.
I got you.
So it's kind of like people are losing faith in them slowly and slowly. It's like every time you catch a rise, right? People wait for those little instances where Shiba is doing better than Ethereum, right? In those small points, like right up in here, right? You have one point where, I mean, well, still not doing better than Bitcoin, but it tries to stay true to the trend, but at the same time, man, it eats shit when it eats shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, I get it. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, seeing that shit at like all the way up at 7, right? When everything was up, and then looking at where it is now, why everything is on the way back up. Like I feel like it should be doing better than what it's doing. You know, not saying that it ain't gonna go up. I'm just saying that shit is like, what are they doing, man? like AVAX, right? Like if you were telling me you were making moves on AVAX, right? Because that's one of the top 15 right there. If you're making moves on AVAX, I'm like I can track that. Their network that's actually trying to provide some infrastructure to the blockchain, right?
I mean, I
Um,
understand. I'm a huge fan of AVAX.
right. That's why I mentioned it. That's why I mentioned it. You know what I mean? Whenever I got somebody else on with me, I like to see what tokens they're bullish on, and you're definitely bullish on AVAX, man. Like I want to eventually start like a segment. The bulls and the bears, man. It's like these are the coins that we're bearish on. These are the ones we're bullish on.
I mean, yeah, why not?
Yeah, and it's like I can't even say that I'm bearish on Dogecoin because I don't want to buy it. Like I don't want to buy it. I would like people to stop losing money on it. That way they can come to trust crypto a little more. But you know, if they don't, they don't. The people who were paying for stocks in successful companies, 20 years ago, they made their profit, right? The people who weren't, they weren't. They looked elsewhere. It's all good. So, but I think I think we're in the right direction. So hey, that's look, man, that's our market top 10, right? That is the market top 10. On Tuesdays, we like to keep things a little bit shorter. Dan, you got any final departing words, my man?
Good day, and remember to hydrate.
Man, please remember to hydrate. Oh, in addition, guess what? We are starting a new podcast segment day. We will be coming to y'all live on Saturdays as well. Probably Saturday around 2 o'clock. And we just gonna be doing talks. And that's it. We may talk about some crawl. Hit me out here. Crawl. Wow. We may talk about some crypto. And then again, we may not. But for the most part, man, even even the title to it might be different. So we'll see you guys on Thursdays and see you guys on Saturdays. Yeah. Stay vigilant and crypto out.